So we are on chapter number 8, more on function modifiers. Great, our zombie now has functional cooldown timer. Next, we are going to add some additional helper methods. We have created a new file for our for we called zombie helper as well. There it is, which imports zombie feeding.sol. This will help to keep our code organized. So we have inherit the zombie feeding here. Here it is. Let's make it so zombie gain special abilities after reaching a certain level, but in order to do that, first we need to learn a little bit more about function modifiers. Function modifiers with argument. Previously we looked at the simple example only on it, but function modifiers can also take arguments. For example, there it is, the function modifier taking older than taking a underscore age underscore user ID, and on this argument is checking the conditions. And how we can pass it? We can pass it like that in our functions. It must be older than 16 to drive a car. Here we can call the older than modifier with the argument like this. You can see the here that the older than modifier takes argument just like a function does, and that the driver function passes its arguments to the modifier. Let's try making our own modifier that uses zombie level property to restrict access to special abilities. So in zombie helper, create a modifier called above level. So let's create a modifier here. Name is above level. Okay, it will going to take two arguments. Uh, One is uint underscore level, and other one is uint underscore zombie ID. So here it is, we have created it. Now the body should check to make sure underscore zombie ID dot level is greater than or equal to underscore level. Okay, let's create, let's check the condition. Zombies dot level greater than or equal to underscore level. Remember to have the last line of the modifier call the rest of the function with underscore one. So where the zombies come, it should be from here. Here, as we are inherited it, so this inherited, sorry, zombie feeding is inherited zombie factory, and zombie helper is inherited zombie feeding. So we have all the functionality and all the variables of uh, this contract into our helper contract. So that's why we can access zombies. So I think let's check it. It's correct. So we have completed chapter number 8. Now let's move on to chapter number 9.